People are way more flexible than we give them credit for, way more flexible. I'm never gonna lie to the customer though, I'm always gonna be 100% honest. If you go, let me check in the computer, you just kinda blew it. The computer is not your friend. You gotta expand your inventory, especially on like inbound calls. Most people are way more flexible than we give them credit for. What's an average just used car somebody may call me on? Any used car, yell it out, whatever it is. Toyota Camry, great, what year? 22 Toyota Camry, okay? Somebody that calls on a 22 Toyota Camry, they might like that vehicle. There's a very good chance though they would take something else. 22 Camry's perfect, it's a nice easy car. That's what I'll use when I do a mystery shop too. So if I don't have the 22 Camry, or I think the Camry may be sold, the worst thing I could do is turn into a clack fiend, like I told you. And I also don't want to say, hey, that's sold. I'm never gonna lie to the customer though. I'm always gonna be 100% honest. So the very first step, whether you have the car, don't have the car, you could answer the same way, is just compliment the buyer's choice. You want to compliment the buyer's choice. Repeat it back and compliment their choice. 2022 Camry, that is you definitely called I love the Camrys. You definitely called the right place. I love those Camrys. Are you looking for just Camrys? Just nice vehicles in that price range? Well, Kyle, that doesn't work. What you do now doesn't work. You tell people that you don't have the vehicle. You want to expand inventory. You'll be shocked how flexible people are. I don't know if you guys follow me on social media or whatever. My girlfriend's not a bad looking lady, right? She travels with me a lot. She's at the hotel hanging out right now. What did I do? Took the up, expanded the inventory, set the appointment. 4 years later, she's hanging out at the hotel, okay? People are way more flexible than we give them credit for, way more flexible. Compliment, expand. Now, if you go, no, I'm sorry, we don't have that Camry, you just kind of blew it. If you go, let me check in the computer, you just kind of blew it. The computer is not your friend. The computer is actually your enemy in a lot of ways.